Only 478 were built, and this forgotten Buick packs a legendary Stage 1 455 V8. You won't believe what makes this 1974 muscle car so special. In a decade when muscle cars were fading away, when emissions regulations tightened their grip and horsepower numbers seemed to shrink with every passing year, one American manufacturer refused to quietly walk away from performance: Buick. And what you're looking at today is not just another classic car. This is the final chapter of a legendary performance dynasty. The incredibly rare, highly collectible, and often overlooked 1974 Buick Century GS Stage 1, a machine built during the sunset of the muscle car era, carrying one of the most respected badges ever to emerge from Detroit. And with only around 478 Stage 1 examples produced, this is a car that even many enthusiasts have never seen in person. As the camera slowly glides across the body lines, the first thing that becomes clear is that this Buick possesses a unique personality. Unlike many muscle cars that rely on aggressive styling and flashy graphics, the Century GS Stage 1 carries itself with confidence and sophistication. It's muscular without being excessive, elegant without being soft. Every curve reflects Buick's commitment to blending luxury and performance into one unforgettable package. The long hood stretches forward with purpose. The broad stance commands attention. And the unmistakable GS badging serves as a reminder that this isn't just transportation. This is Buick performance at its peak. But the true magic lies beneath that hood. Powering this rare machine is Buick's legendary 455 cubic inch V8, a massive 7.5-liter engine developed during a time when displacement was king. By 1974, official horsepower ratings had dropped dramatically across the industry due to changing testing standards and stricter emissions requirements. On paper, this Stage 1 produced 255 net horsepower. To modern enthusiasts, that number may not seem extraordinary, but numbers rarely tell the whole story, because what made the Buick 455 famous wasn't horsepower, it was torque. An incredible 370 pound-feet of torque delivered with effortless authority. Press the accelerator and the Stage 1 responds with a deep, unmistakable rumble. The kind of sound that instantly transports you back to an era when American roads were ruled by giant V8 engines. Power is sent through the durable Turbo Hydra-Matic 400 automatic transmission. One of General Motors' most respected gearboxes, smooth when cruising, strong when pushed, perfectly matched to the immense low-end torque generated by the Buick Big Block. The driving experience feels different from modern performance cars. There are no complicated driving modes, no electronic assistance systems constantly intervening. Just raw mechanical power delivered through the rear wheels, and that's exactly what makes it special. As the road unfolds ahead, the Century GS Stage 1 settles into a confident rhythm. The suspension absorbs imperfections with ease, the cabin remains surprisingly refined, and every mile reminds you that Buick wasn't simply building muscle cars, they were building luxury muscle cars. This combination of comfort and performance became Buick's signature. While competitors focused solely on speed, Buick engineers understood something important. Performance feels even better when surrounded by comfort. The seats are spacious, the ride quality is composed, and the overall experience feels more premium than many of its rivals from the same era. Yet, despite its luxurious nature, the Stage 1 was never afraid to prove itself. Independent testing during the period showed impressive performance numbers, Zell to 60 miles per hour in approximately 7.4 seconds. Quarter-mile times in the mid-15-second range, and a top speed approaching 110 miles per hour. Those figures may not challenge today's supercars, but in 1974, during the height of emissions restrictions They were remarkable achievements, especially for a luxury-oriented muscle car weighing well over 2 tons. What makes this particular model even more fascinating is its place in automotive history. The Stage 1 package had become legendary throughout the early 1970s. It represented Buick's highest level of factory performance, the ultimate expression of the brand's engineering capabilities. And 1974 would mark the final year of its existence, the last Stage 1, the end of an era. That fact alone has elevated the Century GS Stage 1 into collector car royalty. Because enthusiasts aren't simply purchasing a classic Buick, they're preserving a piece of American automotive history, a final salute to the golden age of Detroit muscle, and rarity only adds to the story. With approximately 478 examples produced, finding an authentic Stage 1 today is no easy task. Many have disappeared over the decades, others have been modified, restored, or lost to time. Surviving examples have become increasingly desirable among collectors who recognize their historical significance. Values continue to climb as more enthusiasts discover what makes these cars so special. The combination of rarity, performance, luxury, and historical importance creates a formula that few vehicles can match. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the 1974 Buick Century GS Stage 1 isn't found in production numbers or auction results. It's found in the emotions it creates. Every startup feels like an event. Every drive becomes an occasion. Every glance in the rearview mirror reveals a machine that refuses to be forgotten. This isn't a car that chases attention, it earns respect. It represents an era when American manufacturers experimented with the perfect balance between refinement and brute force, when luxury and performance were not opposites. They were partners. And today, more than 50 years later, that philosophy still resonates. The 1974 Buick Century GS Stage 1 stands as a reminder that true greatness doesn't always come from the most famous names. Sometimes it comes from the unexpected heroes, the overlooked legends, the hidden gems waiting to be rediscovered. And that's exactly what this Buick is, a forgotten masterpiece. A luxury muscle car with a legendary heart, a rare survivor from the final days of an unforgettable era, and perhaps one of the most underrated American performance cars ever built. The 1974 Buick Century GS Stage 1 rare, powerful, historic, and absolutely unforgettable.